Amen. Oh man, can a nigga get a witness? Amen. Amen. Good God really knowing with him. Amen. Oh man, can a nigga get a witness? Amen. Yeah. Hairpin trigger on the mic and I got a itch. Light-skinned nigga, no living. Ain't fair playing life like a bottom bitch. Hey, listen. I send shots at the game long range like Sayagovich. And when I'm in your city, know the key ain't safe when I'm banging down the block and shit. Woo. The pen works like enough to pick the lock and shit. I'm killing it, no curiosity. I like multicolored paper, no monopoly. 100 times past go, no one's stopping me. I'm cruising down Pacific, politicking about some property. See, I used to hit the block in some moccasins. Living broker, this some stocks and shit. Now Scott trade shots at the top and shit. Trying to see big ends, get my pockets on apocalypse. A loophole, nigga found a loophole. Said I wouldn't be shit, nothing further than the truth though. Yeah, I'm the truth hoe, feeling bigger than my new bow. Nigga say you running shit, I'm right behind you. Gotta read between the lines like a haiku. I'm sick with it, I chew. Bless me please, Lord forgive me while I make the beat. Rest in peace, so amen. Hey, amen. Oh man, get a nigga get a witness, amen. Amen. Good God really knowing with his business, amen. Amen. Oh man, get a nigga get a witness, amen. Amen. Hey, late to graduation, I'm the new yay. I want everything expensive like I'm 2 Chainz. So jet with the come up, bitch, I blue brains. World full of dope boys, I'm the new strain. You see my nigga, did you show me how to do things? I kick it at the competition till my shoe stains. Spew flame, not a human torch, I'm a Luke Kane. True game, try to pop some shit and fuck around and leave your boo slain. All I need is the green and some grapes. Catch me on the extra bitch, I'm seeing the papes. And niggas up Shit's Creek, always rocking the boat. Sleeping on me, make waves, you'll be needing a wake. They relate, you running shit, we all behind you. Got us reading between the lines like a haiku. So sick with it, had to bless some G's. Lord forgive him, he just made that beat. Rest in peace, amen. Hey. Amen. Oh man, can a nigga get a witness, amen. Amen. Good God really knowing when the business, amen. Amen. Oh man, can a nigga get a witness, amen.